Hey there, moneymakers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 5 authentic and trending ways to make money in 2024. Trust me, you won't want to miss this because these methods are hot off the press and most people don't even know about them yet. So if you're ready to boost your income and make this year your most profitable one yet, keep watching. Let's dive right in with our first method, freelance consulting in niche markets. Now, I'm not talking about the usual suspects like marketing or finance. Think outside the box. Are you a whiz at sustainable fashion, an expert in crypto security? There are businesses out there looking for your unique expertise. Websites like Upwork and TopTal have sections specifically for these niche skills. Set up a profile, showcase your knowledge, and start landing clients. The demand for specialized consultants is skyrocketing. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest money-making tips. Next up, digital product creation. If you have a skill, you can turn it into a product. This includes ebooks, online courses, and printables. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to sell these products directly to your audience. Think about what you're passionate about and how you can teach or help others. The beauty of digital products is that once they're created, they can generate passive income for years. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about digital product creation. I'm here to help. Our third method is remote work for global companies. The pandemic accelerated the remote work trend, and it's here to stay. Companies all over the world are looking for remote employees, and they're willing to pay top dollar for talent. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely list thousands of remote job openings. You can work from anywhere and often set your own hours, perfect for anyone looking to balance work and personal life. Hit that like button if you're excited about the freedom remote work offers. Fourth on our list is sustainable dropshipping. Yes, dropshipping is still a viable business model, but with a twist: sustainability. Consumers are becoming more eco-conscious, and there's a huge market for sustainable products. Partner with suppliers who focus on eco-friendly goods and market these to conscious consumers. Shopify and Oberlo are great platforms to get started. Not only will you make money, but you'll also be contributing to a better planet. If you're passionate about sustainability, this is a fantastic way to align your business with your values. Subscribe for more eco-friendly business tips. Last but definitely not least, cryptocurrency staking. This one's a bit more advanced, but it can be incredibly lucrative. Staking involves holding a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. Platforms like Binance and Kraken make it easy to get started with staking. Do your research and only stake coins that you believe in for the long term. If crypto excites you, make sure to subscribe because I'll be diving deeper into this topic in future videos. And there you have it, 5 authentic and trending ways to make money in 2024. Whether you're looking to freelance, create digital products, work remotely, dive into sustainable dropshipping, or start staking cryptocurrency, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Let's make 2024 our most profitable year yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.